Hey there, I'm Ali from Tece Support. How can I help you today?
Hello, what types of edge banding do you produce?
At Tece Decor, we produce a wide range of edge banding materials, including PVC, ABS, melamine, and hybrid edge banding solutions.
Which chipboard manufacturer are your edge banding compatible with?
Our edge banding is compatible with many chipboard manufacturers, including Kronospan, Egger, Castamonu Integre, Starwood, and Yildiz Integre. We can also match other brands if you provide a sample.
Can I find the right edge banding for my chipboard using the manufacturer code?
Yes, you absolutely can. You can use our Edge Finder tool on our website, tc.com.tr, to find the perfect matching edge banding by typing in the panel code from your chipboard manufacturer. We have all colors. If you have any trouble, you can always contact us at info@tc.com.tr.
What do I need to do to make a purchase?
To make a purchase from Tece Decor, the minimum order value is €8,000 per shipment. If you meet this requirement, you can place an order directly with us. If your country has a Tece distributor, you might need to work with them, especially if the color you need is in their stock. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
Thank you.
You are most welcome.